Hi, I'm Jason Barfoot at the Goodman School of Business here at Brock University, St. Catharines, Ontario, Canada. We offer three master's programs for you, our MBA program, our Masters of Professional Accounting program, as well as our MSc in Management program. Recent Maclean studies have us listed as #1 in student satisfaction and #2 in faculty diversity. Faculty diversity means you're going to have a great experience with a wide range of professors from all over the world who are going to bring their own international experience into your master's development. We've been working with Canam now for over 20 years, and they're a fantastic agent for you to go through, as they will provide excellent counselors who know our programs inside out. And as well, they'll be able to help you with your visa process and to get you here to Canada as quickly and easily as possible. During the fairs from September 18th until the 28th, you can contact your counselors and ask to talk to Brock University, desk number 59. And I will, myself or Jerissa, will be happy to answer any of your questions about our programs. We look forward to seeing you very soon, and then hopefully next August we will enter you into our master's programs.